everyone, this is Cindy Crane at the Heart, and I'm back with a warehouse sale. It was not a warehouse box from My Mind's Eye. So they had a big sale. A bunch of things were 70 to 80% off. I did buy some things. And, you know, I was concerned after going to Tuesday morning that I would have these items in my like warehouse sale box that I got. And of course I did. So I'm going to actually have a flash giveaway in this video. So I'll talk about that when I get to it. In the meantime, let's get to it. So I did buy these notebooks. I want to say they were $3. So $1 notebook. They're stitched. They're really pretty. And I think I'd like to make a traveler's notebook or just throw these in my bag because they're really cute. So I got those. And then these are kind of like a la carte items. And so I bought these, which are, they're called confetti. Oh, on the back side, you can see the confetti. So they come with the tree, the stars, the Santas, the snowflakes, all different colors, holiday cheer, and there's quite a few of them. So I thought that this would be kind of fun to make projects. So these are like circles. So I thought that would be really cute to do like embellishments and things like that. So I got those. And then I also got these. I just really, really loved these. They are, let's give you an idea of these. Similar concepts. They're confetti also. They're 100 pieces. So I want to say that these were still around $3 something a piece. They weren't real cheap because I think they're normally like $9 or $10. But you get the 31, the bats. There's lots of glitter. Really cute pumpkin. So you can kind of see that a little bit in here. But there's 100 pieces in there, so it gives you quite a lot. I think these are the 31 pieces. So I got those. And then I got, they had different packages that you could buy that had a bunch of goodies all in one. And so this is the one I opted to get. And so it's interesting because Echo Park is going to be having a warehouse sale, but they're also going to be doing an online warehouse box. So I'm probably not going to buy it because I'm going to guess it's going to be much like this. It's going to be filled with items that they've already sold to Tuesday morning to get rid of. And so we've probably seen a lot of the things that are going to be in those boxes. Same with this. So there's lots of things in here that we have seen or we've seen bits and pieces of. The nice thing is that I got pieces that fill in the blanks with the project, with the products I got at Tuesday morning. So you'll see what I mean in a second. So for example, Good Vibes. So Good Vibes, I can't pull everything out at once because it's all just a hot mess in here. But for example, I'll pull out what the Good Vibes that are in this thing. And my question always too is it worth it? So this package I'm going to show you is $25. I spent a total of roughly $40 for everything here, which included shipping. So keep that in mind. So these, which I did get at Tuesday morning, I'm pretty sure. These, which I did not get at Tuesday morning, these are the Brads. Very cute. I was super excited to see this in here. This is, because it's got foiling, it's really cool. This is the ephemera. So the ephemera is pretty cool. So that came in this package along with the enamel dots, which I just pull out and I just use quite a bit. Let's see, some other Good Vibes stuff that I can pull out that I am excited to get are these cards that go along with my Good Vibes stuff. And these, which I have no idea how to use these. I mean, do you wear them? Do you put them on a project? How do you put them on a project? I don't know, but they are pretty cool. So, and then let's see, the puffy stickers. All right, so super cute. And then, of course, I am able to pull it out now, is the Good Vibes paper pad, which, yeah. So I'm pretty sure I got that. So I'm going to double check and make sure that I got that. So then Wander. So that's another one that I got. So there's Wander. This puffy stickers were in here, as well as these flatter stickers. Also in here is the Brads. These are really cute. Again, I don't know what to do with these. So if anyone knows, let me know what you do with these pieces, what they're intended for. These are enamel pins, and they are really cute. I don't know how they go with a project though. I don't know. And then I definitely got this pad at Tuesday morning. So once I'm done with this, I'm going to go run over and see what exactly I got just to double check. And then I'll pull out my giveaway. So I got the Wander cards. So it all goes together. And then I want to say that I got something from this line, but I don't know. But it came with a full Bliss line. So it's interesting because I do have a friend who's getting married. So I was going to, make her an album. So now I can't decide whether I want to make it out of this or the other stuff that I'd already gotten. So this, along with the paper and the cards and the super cute pins and these gold, whatever those are, and acrylic words. This I saw there and I didn't get it at Tuesday morning, but it came in my package, so I guess it's a good thing. And then the ephemera. Yeah, the ephemera. And then 2 different enamel dots. So there's this one and then this one. And then the chipboard. Isn't the chipboard so cute? It's got the chipboard. And then, I think that, okay, so now I'm going to, I guess I'll just leave that stuff up here. What the heck? All right, so then I got I got the 12 by 12 papers. So I've got Bliss, a bunch of Bliss in 12 by 12. I mean, beautiful, right? Bliss in 12 by 12. And then this is an In Bloom. So an In Bloom 12 by 12 is in here as well. And then there is some sheets of Good Vibes in 12 by 12. And then, these are not in order. So a Wander, some more Bloom. So I may gift my Bloom, destash it, a Good Vibes in 12 by 12. Some more Wander. That one's really cute. Some more Bloom. And these are double-sided. I'm not showing you both sides because I'm lazy. Bunch more Blooms. Almost like the full collection of Bloom. Right? Both sides. And then Good Vibes. I mean, a lot of Good Vibes. These are all Good Vibes. Good Vibes. And then quite a bit of Wander. And then a bunch of In Bliss. Okay, so I think it's pretty good. So let me go run over real quick. Give me like 1 second. Okay, so for my giveaway, I'm going to give away, let's see, what will I give away? So this is just a little quick, what I'm calling a flash giveaway, because I wasn't, planning on having a giveaway really until I saw that I had gotten, let me get this out of the way for just a second, until I saw that I had, had a lot of this stuff. Get that out of the way. Okay, so my giveaway. I'm going to give away the 6x6 Good Vibes and the 6x6 Wander and the Good Vibes puffy stickers. And all you have to do is leave a comment. And in the comment, creatively mention the word giveaway. So creatively mention it somehow, like I'd love a giveaway, or that would be great to give away because you got extra ones, or giveaways are great, whatever. So, or add me in your giveaway, but try to be more creative than the next person or not repeat what the next person says, just so that I know that you at least watch some portion of my video. So anyway, just put giveaway somewhere in your comment and be a subscriber. So you have to be a subscriber. That's like the #1 thing because, the giveaways are really to say thank you to my subscribers for visiting me and commenting and liking my videos and coming back. So, but yeah, I'm going to have this run. Geez, let's see. Today, I don't know when I'm going to post this. I'm probably going to post this in the morning on Thursday. So it'll probably run about a week. So whatever the post date is, it's going to run about a week. And then I'll just put closed in the post when I'm done. It's probably going to be until next Friday. That's when I usually do mine. And that's all you need to do to get the giveaway. And, you know, I would like your opinions acquired on whether you think it was worth, you know, the 25 some odd dollars. So it was 25 for that pack of goodies, and then total with shipping for everything I got, it was $40 roughly, give or take. So let me know if you think it was worth it, if I got $40 worth of stuff right there. Anyway, thank you for watching. This is Cindy's Great Art.